So hey guys, we are starting with a new series. I will upload chapter by chapter uh, this topic on my channel. Okay, I will try to do that for sure. Now it's time to upload the first chapter. I will study the first chapter with you. Not with you, matlab, actually I am also a beginner, so I'm trying to do that. Okay, so yeah, let us start. So we are starting with at first Java. Okay, we are starting with this. We learn about this कि इसमें these have many tutorial and all this stuff. Okay, these are the things. Actually, I like this way because it has for YouTube. We can say that it's pictures, pictorial representation. That's why I love this book. Let us see what is saying. Wouldn't be dreaming if there was a Java. There was some stimulating that waiting in line that DMU to renew your driver license. It's probably a breakfast. Okay. Yes. That's a good thing. To our brains for always being there. Yes. We should thank our brain to this. These are the creators. Okay. Now this is the first chapter we are gonna do. The breaking the surface, the quick tip in Java. Okay. What we are studying there? Java takes you to a new places like uh, uh, from its humble origin to public and Wimply version 1.0 to Java seduced program with friendly syntax, object-oriented features, and memory management. And best of all, the promise of portability. Okay, we will take a quick dip and write some code and compile it. We are taking syntax loops, branching what makes Java so cool. So we will see the way Java, the core structure in Java, the anatomy of a class, the main method, the looping. Okay, the phraseometric, uh, the fireside compiler, JVM. Okay, we are gonna do this. Now let's start with this. Okay. I can't believe they put that into a Java book. That would be recording is still on, not around. Okay, I think recording is on. In this section, we answer that burning question. So why they put that into a Java reference book? I don't know why, but we are on this. These are the texts if you want to read. I read it also. To attract people to get it, not our case to study in yeah. That's our chapter previews. Dive in a quick tip. Okay, breaking the surface. Come on, what a great! We will dive right in and explore and compile and run it. We are taking syntax, looping and branching and help and look at what makes Java so cool. You will be coding in no time. Okay, let us see. Let us see what we are gonna do with this. Let us see. How Java works, we all know we have a source code that we compile by Java C. Okay, first I will. the attendance. My attendance is on. That's why. Okay. 1 second. Plus attendance level higher. Hello there. I am doing ECCS, but I am dedicated to mathematics. In one of my semester, am I eligible for NIMSAT? Bro, do you have? I think I cleared this doubt. Do you have maths in well? अगर मैथ्स है तो you are good to go. What is main thing I don't know. Actually, they attended. So no problem, bro. Then you are good to go. Good to go. Then you are okay. Now coming to our topic, what we are studying. So yeah, as we all know, we have to write Java C for to compile this. Then we will get an output code. Okay, for this output code, and this is called a bytecode. And a dot class file, you can clearly see a compiler creates a new document called Java bytecode. Any device capable of running Any device capable of running Java will be able to interpret, translate this file into something it can run. Compile. Actually, this makes Java independent of platform. Independent. Okay. वर्चुअल मशीन अलग हो सकती है मैक की अलग होगी मैक की अलग होगी और उसकी अलग होगी ठीक है योर फ्रेंड्स डोंट हैव अ फिजिकल जावा मशीन बट दे हैव अ virtual Java machine implemented in software running inside their electronic gadgets. वर्चुअल मशीन चाहिए रहेगी और सबके अपने अपने वर्चुअल मशीन पोर्टेबल हो सकती होती है बस आपको जावा जो कोड है जावा कंपाइलर बाइट कोड उसको इधर लेके जाना है ठीक है सोर्स कोड आप किसी में भी लिख दो कहीं में भी लिख दो बाइट कोड उसके अकॉर्डिंग चल जाएगा ठीक है अगेन you will type a source code okay like this I always say you will type a source code and compile it using the Java C compiler, then run the compile bytecode using Java Virtual Machine. Okay, now these are the versions which is Java 1.22 and Java 1.1, Java 2, Java 5.0. Basically, we are learning about this. So you have not to worry about this. And now, what is this? We have to sharpen our pencil. Okay. Try to guess what line each code is doing. Answer on the next page. Okay. What is doing? It's a size. Okay. It is a variable in size and give it the value to 27. Okay. मतलब कि एक इंटीजर है जिसका नाम साइज है, उसको मैं 727 कर दिया। ऐसे ही एक नेम है जिसका टाइप स्ट्रिंग है, ठीक है, जो विंडो स्टोर करता है। ऐसे एक डॉग एक क्लास है, माई डॉग एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, या फिर माई डॉग कह सकते हैं वेरिएबल है। और इसमें हम बता रहे हैं नया डॉग, जिसमें हम नेम ले रहे हैं और साइज ले रहे हैं उसका, ठीक है। और हम माइनस कर दे रहे हैं एक्स में से, एक्स की वैल्यू क्या होगी, साइज -5, ठीक है। अगर एक्स की वैल्यू 15 से छोटी है, इस केस में कितनी आएगी, इस केस में आएगी, इस केस में आएगी 27 -15 टू 12। इधर एक्स की वैल्यू 12 आई, we got value of x equal to 12, okay। 12, not 12, माइनस 5 है तो 22 आएगी, ठीक है। x की वैल्यू 22 आएगी, we have the value of x की 22। तो अब चेक करेगा क्या 22 छोटा है, बनना से नहीं है, तो बात नहीं करेगा यहाँ। अगर बड़ा है तो डॉग प्ले करेगा, तब तक डॉग प्ले करता रहेगा। लेकिन ये इन्फिनिट हो गया, इट नम लिस्ट ये एरे है जो 4 डिजिट का है, इसमें 2468 है। सिस्टम हेलो प्रिंट कर रहा है, डॉग डॉग का प्लस नेम प्रिंट हो जा रहा है, स्ट्रिंग नम इज इक्वल टू 8 जा रहा है, और इंटीजर जेड, इंटीजर पार्स इंट नम क्या है, कुछ पता नहीं है क्या। He's already saying, don't worry about whether you understand any of this yet. Everything here is explained in great detail in a book you post within the first 40 pages. If Java resembles a language you have used in the past, so this will look, but if not, don't worry, we will get there. Okay. Declare a integer, declare a string of characters, declare a string of characters name and store it below। एक न्यू डॉग वेरिएबल बनाया, डॉग का वेरिएबल बनाया माई डॉग, और उसमें डॉग बनाया यूजिंग नेम और साइज, सब्जेक्ट 20 और 7 and assign to 7 value of 22 less than 15, beginning है टेलर डॉग want है, then looping just loop next second of the loop, everything in what we say, declare a list of integer variable num list, okay, put 246 into the num list but in the array, okay, print hello globally at a command line, print the dog to if you are printing your dog to value of name to at a command line, ठीक है। declare a string to variable num gave it a value of 8। num देखो clearly you can see that num is not an integer, it is not an integer, okay, it is not an integer, you can clearly see। now num में हमने 8 डाल दिया, num num is equal to 8, share your LinkedIn profile, I shared it but okay, I'm writing it, okay, That is wisely. I must say. So it is been told from my sorry for that, sorry for that. I took I must say. Ah, that needs to my link profile. But what mentioned criteria says that students should have 60% in graduation with math, stats, uh, hello brother. Hello, okay. Now where are we? I don't know. I convert the string character kit into actual imaginary. Wow, that's a thing doing. Okay. Try to do something. Maybe the thing we are trying isn't guaranteed to work. Like read a text or a name file, like, or at least try to read the file. Must be end of the things to try. So I guess I will try anything. This maybe we find if the thing you tried didn't work. If the thing we tried failed, print file not found. I think from a line looks like everything in the okay, this is a time. Okay, this is a exceptional handling. Uh, okay, exceptional handling. We also know this thing about uh, okay. Now, what's the code structure in Java? What's the code structure in Java? Let us see. Okay, we have done this. We have done this. We are now turning this source file. Source file, class file, method one, method two. Source file, class file, method one, method two statement. What goes in the source file? Source file with a .java extension code one class definition. The class represents a piece of a program. Although a very tiny application might be needed just class, the class must go within uh, a pair of curly braces. I think I must say that's the name of the class. That's the name of the class जो आप अपनी प्रोग्राम का नाम में रखोगे लाइक doc.java. If you put doc.java, then it will start execution. I must say, I think that's the meaning in there. Okay, put a class in the source file. Put a method in the class. What goes inside the class? A class has more than one methods. In the top class, at the we have the coding class. I have to go. So, one second. Last time I put this on the okay, bro. Now, a class has one more than method. In a top class, the path method will follow and tell you how to do the top path. Your method must be declared inside the class. Here was another curly braces of the class. What goes in the method? Within the curly braces of the method, you write your instruction for how what the method should be performed. Method code is basically a set of statements. For now, you can think method kind of like a function or a procedure. Yeah. Method from class anatomy of a class. When a JVM starts running, it class. You gave it to command line. Then it's looking for a special method that looks like this. Next, the JVM runs everything between the curly braces of your main method. Okay, every Java application has two, at least one class and one at least main method. Not main per class, just main per application. That's the main thing. That's the main thing what I'm trying to say. Okay, again I can put the highlighter in my book also. Ah, मत करो मत करो मत करो यार. Public so everyone access it. This is a class 2. The name of this class, the opening curly braces of the class, public, we will cover it later. The different type of the machine, no value, the name of this method, तो तो main function है main function कह सकते हो the arguments the arguments to a string this must be the one and arrow to string and yeah the argument okay ये हमें देना ही पड़ेगा चाहे कुछ हो जाए okay now this is standard output के balls यहाँ पे string हमने प्रिंट करी है और क्या है अब क्या क्या हो रहा है यार ये नीचे तो मैंने सोचा let us continue okay. I think I should not print that okay no problem I think I should that's fine शेडो कर दे रही है थोड़ा सा तो ठीक है अब यहाँ हो गया don't worry about memorizing anything right now this chapter is just to get you started okay writing a class with a main in Java everything goes into the class as I already told you in Java everything goes in a class In Java, everything goes in a class. You will have to type your source code file with a .java extension, then compile into a new class file with a .class extension. When you run your program, you are really running a class. Okay, in Java, everything goes in a class low. You will type a source code file with .java extension, then compile it to a new class file with .class extension. When you run your program, you are running a class low. The running program means telling the Java virtual machine to load my first app class, then start executing its main method. Keep running till all the code in main is finished. Okay. In chapter 2, we will go deeper into a whole class thing. But for now, all thing you need to think is how do I write Java code so that it will run, and it all begins with main. Okay, the main method is where you start your programming. Program starts running. No matter how big your program is, in other words, no matter how many classes the program use, there's got to be a main method to get balls rolling. Main जो होता है वो यही होता है. Okay, I think we entered the class. We have entered the class. I must say. Now, my first app.java. No, it's a very hard. My first app.java, my first app.java ने my first app.class बना दी. Save my first object.class and उसके बाद तुम रन करोगे ऐसे तो तुम्हें ये मिल जाएगा. Okay, now we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. If I can show you running this, then I show you that thing also. But if you run, you will surely get this. Okay, I know. Now I'm getting familiar with this syntax. But can you say in the main method when you are inside main or any method, the fun begins. You can say all the normal thing that you say in a programming language to make the computer do something. So your code can tell the JVM to do something. Statements, declaration, assignments, method call, etc. Like statement this is a statement. What are the statement? These are the declaration. This is the assignment. This is statement. But header statement this is the command. Again, this is the home assignment. Okay, do something again and again. Loops for while for ये सब होते हैं. ठीक है. प्लस इज जस्ट लाइक का वहाँ एंगल लगाते थे ना. एंगल लगाते थे यहाँ पे प्लस लगाते हैं. कहाँ एंगल लगाते थे एंगल ब्रैकेट ठीक लगाते थे. यहाँ हम ये लगाएंगे. ओके, सो do something अपने कर लिया, तो what can you say in the main method, वही बात आ गई. तो यही जो this is the main program, you have to write all the things, all the functions right here. Okay, so once you cite a main or any method, the fun begins. The fun begins. You can say all the normal thing that you say in the books program to make a computer do something. Yeah, that's the thing I want to say. You have to write all the thing you the computer to make the computer to do something. What you want to do, you have to write in the main. Okay, you have to write a program in the main function. What you want to do, what you want to make. Suppose that you want to make a calculator. Suppose that you want to make a to-do list. Okay, so you have to write that program inside the main only. Okay, do something under this condition. If else condition. Remember the syntax one. Each statement must end a semicolon. Single line statement, single line comments, paragraph format that you want to. The most white space doesn't matter. Yeah, space area. Yeah, space area. Yeah, space area. Doesn't matter. Variables are declared with a name and type. You will learn about the Java types in chapter 3. Into wait till you then in type in main टाइप इसका क्या है, इंटर नेम इसका वेट है. ठीक है. क्लासेस एंड मेथड्स मस्ट बी डिफाइंड विद इन अ पेयर ऑफ कर्ली ब्रेसेस. क्लासेस एंड मेथड मस्ट बी डिफाइंड विद इन अ पेयर ऑफ कर्ली ब्रेसेस. ओके. Looping and looping. Java has three methods: custom, while, for. You have to full scope generator, but for while you while now syntax. Not a mentioned logic. It's so simple. You have probably a three already. As long as your condition is true, you do everything inside the loop block. The loop block is bounded by a pair of curly braces. So whatever you want to repeat needs to repeat inside that block. Okay. The key to a loop is the conditional test. In Java, condition is the expression that results in a Boolean value, true or false. In Java and C++, if you say something like while is to keep hoping, then you have to clear Boolean blah blah. While here you can do simple by checking. ये कंपैरिजन हो गई, नोटेड सिंपल असाइनमेंट एंड ये डबल इक्वल टू. ओके. ओके. नीचे ब्रैकेट का बच्चा है, काफी बच्चा है. हाँ, होगा, ठीक. So we have done this. We have done this. We have assigned x equal to 4. हमने चेक कर लिया x की वैल्यू 3 से बड़ी है. तो ये सब यह C++ पे होता है. ठीक है. तो वो ऑलरेडी होता है. लूप पर नॉट इक्वल देयर इज नॉट इक्वल टू 17. We all know. Then we have this question: why does everything have to be in a class? Why does everything have to be in a class? Java is an object-oriented language. It's not like the old days where you had strip-driven compilers and wrote one monolithic structure. You know monolithic structure. Monolithic source file. I can give the main suggest you have functions to call. You don't have the I can train it enough to trying. Maybe not. What? Okay. Now, what that was monolithic source. यहाँ पे सर्च कर लेंगे तो मोनो लिथिक सब कुछ एक ही में लिख दिया है, एक ही फंक्शन में डाल दिया है। समझ रहे हो ना? सब कुछ एक ही में डाल दिया है। You use the functions and classes and all. This is called monolithic. Okay. So Java is an object-oriented language. It's not like the old days when you had stream-driven computers wrote one monolithic source file with a pile of procedures. Okay. In chapter 2, we will learn that a class is a blueprint for any object, and that nearly everything is available object. We all know. Okay. Now, example of class public class lobby, public static void main strings args. Okay, this is the assignment. This is before the loop. जब तक चलेगा तो छोटा नहीं होगा चार से देखो दो कंडीशन तीन कंडीशन होती है we all know. This is the initialization, this is the condition, this is increment or decrement. You all know. Okay. Do I have to put a main in? Do I have to put a main in every class I write? No. A Java program, a Java might have dozens of classes, but you might only have one with a main method that one started the program running. You might write test classes though uh, that have main method and testing other classes. Java Rocky, यहाँ पे हमने जावा सी लिख के हमने कंपाइल कर लिया होगा। जावा सी लिख के हमने रूबी और जावा पे करा होगा जब जाके एक रूबी डॉट क्लास करनी होगी जब जाके उसको रन कर पाएंगे। ओके। लैंग्वेज आई कैन बुलेट दैट्स ऑन लैंग्वेज। यही बात है। runs everything within this block and define truly faces as long as the condition test is true. Okay. If the condition test is false, the while loop could block one run. While execution will move down to level of the loop and could
अगर ये चीज़ मेरे को समझ नहीं थी तो मैं नहीं
होगा क्या? What power?
ओके
कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं। ये चीज़ थोड़ा डाउट है मेरे को क्योंकि हम ये चीज़ सी प्लस प्लस में हम कर सकते हैं लाइक एक्स इक्वल टू फोर भी रखेंगे तो ये ट्रू रहेगा बट वी कैन डू सिमिलर थिंग्स इन दिस और नॉट आई लेट मी चेक दिस इफ अच्छा ये चीज़ नहीं कर सकते।
गॉट इट बेबी अब मेरे डाउन नहीं कर सकते तो आ है मतलब वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अब सीधा पूरा करके जाओ दिया ओके
That's the thing we can do in Java. But in ठीक है now system conditional branching means in Java we can and while देखो दिस, ठीक है, प्रिंट सिंपल जो है वो न्यू लाइन नहीं करेगा। जो आ गया, यहाँ तक। What the fuck is going on? Yes, sir. मैं तो एक क्लास कर रही हूँ ना। अच्छा, यहाँ तक हो गया था। The Java executes. Okay, you can clearly see branch testing. In Java, test is basically the same as the Boolean test in a while loop. Okay, Java if test, Java is equal to ये खुल जाएगा, इसके बाद ये चलेगा कोड आउटपुट, ठीक है, ठीक है। इफ एल्स है आगे, तो इसमें क्या था, है ना, क्लास आ गई, ये मेन फंक्शन आ गया, एक्टिव टू आ गया, एक्टिव टू आ गई, एक्टिव टू फिर ये नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, ये if के अंदर का ब्लॉक है, ये एल्स के अंदर का ब्लॉक है, जिसमें न्यू है तो व्हाट चल जाएगा। ये है स्टार्ट जावा, मतलब ये एड्रेस, ठीक है, जहाँ तक जावा डूबी 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 डूबी, तो ये हमने बताना है x इक्वल टू वन। एक्स इज लेस देन, अगर यहाँ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो, प्लस वन है ना, तो टू कर रहे हैं अगर हम, तो टू बी तो यहाँ एक्स क्या हो जाएगी, हो जाएगी, गलत चलेंगे यहाँ थ्री चलाएंगे, तो ये टू बी चल जाएगा, डूबी के बाद चल जाएगा, ठीक है। डूबी उसके थ्री प्रिंट करता है, क्योंकि एक्स की वैल्यू थ्री हो गई होगी, तो यहाँ तुम थ्री कर दो, तो एक्स की वैल्यू थ्री हो गई, तो जब एक्स की वैल्यू थ्री है तो प्रिंट हो जाएगा डूबी टू, तो यहाँ पे एक्स, यहाँ पे भी थ्री आएगा, यहाँ पे थ्री आएगा, ओके। यहाँ पर हो गया coding a serious business application that's full of new Java skills to use something practical. We need a class with a main and a string variable, a while loop, and a if test. A little more polish. You will be building that business back in no time. But before you will have to you will look at the code on this page. Think for a moment about how you would code that classic children's favorite 99 model of VR. Okay, what is trying to say? Okay, public class beer song, एक क्लास आ गई, ये स्टैटिक स्ट्रिंग आर्ग्स आ गए, इंट नम में 99 चला गया, वर्ड में ऑर्डर चली गई, मीन अगर हम देखें तो एक तो ये मेन चीज़ हुई और एक ये मेन चीज़ हुई। उसके बाद जाहिर सी बात है 99 बड़ा है जीरो से, लेकिन अगर वन है तो प्रिंट करें, जो कि नहीं है प्रिंट करें बी अंडा मतलब 99 स्पेस आ गया, वर्ड वर्ड क्या है टोटल, फिर ये आ गया ऑफ बियर ऑफ दी, ऐसे 99 टोटल्स ऑफ बियर, बियर भी बोल सकते हैं यार, टेक वन डाउन, पास इट अराउंड, अब बियर नम इजिकल टू यू हो गया, अगर बियर नम जीरो है, जीरो से बड़ा है तो है ही है, तो ये प्रिंट कर दे, तो नहीं तो ये प्रिंट कर दे, एंड द मोबाइल तो स्क्रीन एंड क्लास, let's get from the mechanism for fix it. What the hell is compare, what what are you trying to tell? एक सेकंड में इसको बता देता हूँ, आईडी की, ठीक है, और एक क्या क्या कह रहा था, ये क्या कहना चाह रहा है, जरा देखते हैं, हम भी देखें क्या कहना चाह रहा है, भाई आप प्रैक्टिस सही बनाना है, भाई ये बात तो सही। ये है तो सही। ये चल नहीं रहा, पता नहीं क्यों। अटेंडेंस 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 जरूरी है। हमारी so I don't know why it's not running. I don't know why. Looking so perfect. I think I should rename it to F something. But then no. देखते हैं। फिर मैं कहीं एडिट चलेगी। क्या है यहाँ? Okay. Anyway, Monday morning, Monday morning at Pop. Pop's alarm clock rang at 8:30 in morning, just like every other weekday. But Bob had a wild weekend. He reaches for the snooze button, then watch 10 action starts the Java enabled application sequence come to life. But the alarm and the message to Kobe, hey, Rakik, sleeping again. Here the Kobe. The Kobe makes her turn. Aurora to start. Mola to go. Java enabled. Stickware and your solution. Bob sister tried to this. Navla. Okay. Try my phrase matic. It will be stick together just like the ball goes in marketing. Okay. Public class transformatic. Double static void made string arcs. Make these three sets of words to choose from. Add a wing one is to one. 24 by 7. Okay. After all, what is trying to say? I don't know what he's trying to say, but it's already 1 hour and we will not with it in chapter A. How to complete this. In a nutshell, the program makes three lists of words and randomly picks one word from each of the three lists. Print out the list. Don't worry if you don't understand exactly what's happening in this line. For costing, you have got a whole book ahead of you. So relax. This is just a quick look. Our 30,000 fit outside the box targeted label ready. Okay, tabs appeared. The first step is to create three string arrays. A container that would hold the word, declaring and creating an array is easy. Here is a small one. A string pets is equal to widow, juice, bin. Each word is in quotes and separated by commas. Okay, for each of the three lists, the goal is to pick a random word. So we have no word for in the list. So if you have 14 words in a list, and we is a random number 0 13. There are arrays are zero base. So the first one is a zero position and the third array position is one. As we in the C++. The last one is total two element array. While headed Java array is more than happy to tell you its name. You just have to ask in the pets that if we had say x in x and or name. introductory for output.
ठीक है। अब now OTS is random text.
We need three random numbers. Java ships out of the box, off the shelf, string wrap, and the code can with a set of methods. Now, for nothing of them as a function. A random method returns a random number with 0 and not quite a 1. We have to multiply it with the L number of elements in the array we are using. So we are supposed to result in an integer. So we are put in a cast. It will the same as float. क्या कह रहा है? Okay, now we get the build phrase. By picking a word from one of the three lists and smooshing them together. Which concatenates and the smooshing object together to get an element of an array. ये हम कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये सब possible है not calculation. The compiler and the JVM both are over the question doing more information. That's the compiler. What are you looking? Hello, I'm Java. I'm the guy who actually makes a program run. The compiler just gives you a file that it's just a file. You can print it out and use it in a wallpaper, kindly learning the WordKit, whatever, but the file doesn't do anything unless I'm there to run it. That's another thing. The compiler has no sense of humor. And again, if you spend all the checking, nitpicking data system violations, excuse me, compiler say, but without me, what you run? There is a reason Java was designed to use a Bytecode compiler. For your information, if Java were a purely decrypted language, where at runtime the virtual machine had translate a uh, straightforward text editor source, the Java program would run a uh, adequately guessed page. Java had a challenging time, enough time to build its file and roll off. I'm not saying that you are completely useless, but really, what is it that you do? Seriously, I have no idea. Programmer could just write a bytecode by hand. I am taking you might excuse me. That's quite ignorant. Not mention arrogant perspective. Why is it too theoretical? You can run any formatted bytecode, but if it didn't come out of a dialog compiler, in practice that's absurd. The programmer writing bytecode by hand is like a word processing raw PostScript, and I would appreciate if you would not refer to me as a buddy. In my case, on the river, but you still do what you actually do. There, Java is a strongly typed language. That means I can't allow variables to hold data of the wrong type. This is a crucial safety feature. I'm able to stop the vast majority violation. Therefore, they ever get to you, and I also. But still, but some. ये तो है, बहुत practical है। but I'm still get so I get to class exception. Sometimes I get people trying to put wrong type of thing in an array and everyone else. Excuse me, but I wasn't done. And yes, there was some data exception at timers and run time, but those also have to be allowed to support one of the dynamic thing. And runtime are going and include new objects that weren't known with the original programmer. I have to allow certain amount of flexibility, but my job is to stop anything that could never success at runtime. Usually I can tag when something won't work. For example, if a programmer accidentally tried to use a button to check a socket, I would detect that and just protect an version. Okay, sure. What was security? Look at all security I do. You are like what? Check with security. Thank you. Excuse me. But I have the first line of defense, as they say. The data type violation I previously described would wreak havoc in a program. If they were allowed to manifest, I am also the one who prevents action violations such as uh, tomorrow. Hello, I'm exercise. Okay, I think we have done this. It's time to start. Bye bye. We have done the first step.